Today I'm making chocolate chip muffin cake. First I'm going to make the topping for the cake, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Next add 2/3 of a cup of flour. Then mix that up until it's combined and then put this to the side for later. Next I'm going to make the cake part, so in a bowl I'm going to add 2 bags of chocolate chip muffin mix. Then I'm just following the directions on the back of the muffin mix and adding milk, and then mix that up until it's combined. Now I have a greased 8-inch cake pan. I'm going to add the muffin mix into the cake pan. Next I'm going to add the buttery topping, so I took little pieces of the topping and flattened it out. I'm going to put it on top of the cake. Next I'm going to add some walnuts and then bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the chocolate chip muffin cake was done, I sprinkled some powdered sugar, and here's an up-close look of a slice.